Hello everyone, my name is Dylan and I build things. Today, I am proud to present my SDCS RX-78F00P2 Gundam Player 2 Custom. This kit was a gift from a friend that visited Japan and saw the life-sized Gundam at Yokohama. I'll never get to see it myself, but at least I have this. Anyways, let's get into this build, and I'll check in with you after. And here is the finished build. The inspiration for this color scheme was the concept of playing a fighting game and your friend just picked the same character as you. I also had some old red, white, and blue paint that I wanted to get rid of. I figured that mixing up the standard Gundam colors would result in a suitable Player 2 color scheme, and I was satisfied with the results. That is, until Bandai released their own SD Gundam 2-player color version, from a real video game no less. I'm not bitter, but I do think my work is superior in every way possible. I'm not bitter though. Jokes aside, I'm glad the shield colors turned out well. I specifically chose that layout as a homage to the Japanese flag. This rendition of the Gundam was built and displayed in Yokohama after all, so this felt fitting to me. Ultimately, I am content with how this build turned out, though there were several problems I encountered while working. Most of these stem from improper working conditions and techniques, like priming in -18-degree weather without warming up the can, or not being precise enough while masking. Using old paint could have also caused problems, though I'm not entirely sure about that. I wanted to achieve a high-gloss, candy paint-like finish, but I didn't have all the proper paints for that. I decided to make do with Mr. Hobby aqueous gloss paints and gloss top coat. The end result certainly isn't candy paint, but I still like it. Certain parts do have a mirror finish, so I'm glad I could partially achieve my initial goal. Overall, I do believe this build is better than my non-grade Akai, but I do wish there were less mistakes. I suppose some flaws are to be expected, especially since it's been a year since I last built a Gundam model kit. Now that the rust has been shaken off, I'll keep refining my skills so that I can create builds even better than this. In conclusion, does this look like a third grader's art project? Yes. Am I proud of my work, and will it inspire me to do even better in the future? Also yes. Well, that's all from me. Thanks for watching, have a good one, and I'll see you all later.